In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Akiflow Split effectively to manage your tasks and calendar. If you have a big task ahead and feel overwhelmed by the sheer size of it, splitting it into smaller parts and scheduling these in your calendar can significantly ease your burden and boost productivity. Akiflow is a tool specifically designed to help you manage your daily to-dos alongside your calendar. And today, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Start by opening up your Akiflow interface, ensuring you set it to the view that lets you see both the calendar and task list. This is often referred to as the Today view. Having a clear overview of both your tasks and your schedule is crucial for planning your time effectively. Now, the first action you'll want to take is to identify the large task you need to break down. It could be something like prepare Q3 marketing strategy or another multi-step undertaking. The key here is to think of it as a single, large block that needs to be divided into more manageable parts. With the task in mind, move over to your task list and locate it. You'll want to click and drag this task from your list onto your calendar. Think of this as physically transferring an idea onto your timetable, ready for execution. During this action, it's important to choose your first time slot wisely. Drag the task into the initial time block you'd like to allocate for the first phase of this task. For example, perhaps you can spare the time between 10 o'clock a.m. and 11:30 a.m. Dropping it into this time block effectively earmarks that portion of your day for starting this task. Once that's scheduled, the beauty of Akiflow really starts to shine through. Later in your day, or perhaps sometime further along in the week, you'll have the freedom to continue splitting this large task into additional chunks. Again, you'll want to click and drag the task from your list. This time, look for another open time slot in your calendar that can accommodate more work on the task. For instance, you might decide to dedicate time from 3 o'clock p.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. later that day, or on a different day that's available in your schedule. By following these steps, you've successfully split your larger task into more digestible parts. This method allows you to tackle potentially overwhelming tasks with focus and clarity. Always remember, breaking tasks down and dedicating specific times to work on them can make all the difference in staying organized and productive. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to utilize Akiflow Split and manage your day with precision and ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your workflow.